Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon X and Y on your phone. Emulation lets you enjoy your favorite console games on different devices, like your smartphone. To get the best experience, you'll want a powerful phone, ideally with a Snapdragon 835 chip or better, and at least 4 GB of RAM. The Citra emulator is your go-to for playing Nintendo 3DS titles, including Pokémon X and Y, on both Android and iOS devices. It's designed to recreate the 3DS functionality, often with improved graphics. First, you need to download the Citra emulator. You can find it on its official website or through your device's app store. Before installing, make sure your phone meets the minimum system requirements. For Android, this typically means Android 8 or higher and OpenGLES 3.2 support. Once downloaded, simply follow the installation prompts to get the applications set up on your smartphone. The process is straightforward and usually takes just a few minutes to complete. Next, you'll need the actual game files for Pokémon X or Y, often referred to as ROMs. These files are usually in A, 3DS, or CCI format. To legally obtain these, you should dump the game data from your own physical Nintendo 3DS cartridge using a modified 3DS console. Once you have the game file, transfer it to your phone. Create a dedicated folder, perhaps named 3DS Games, to keep your ROMs organized and easy to find within the emulator. With Citra installed and your game file ready, open the emulator. You'll need to navigate to the folder where you saved your Pokémon X or Y ROM to load the game. Take some time to explore Citra's settings. You can adjust internal resolution, frame limits, and shader types to optimize performance for your specific phone. For an even better experience, consider connecting a Bluetooth controller. This provides more precise inputs and a feel closer to playing on the original handheld console.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.